How to deactivate or delete an Instagram account. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily disable or permanently remove your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. Moving forward, tap on Account Center. Afterwards, you'll see Manage Account at the bottom. They've moved the deactivation and deletion page after the update. In addition to that, tap on Instagram and select the Manage button right beside it. Once there, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Subsequently, you'll see two options: Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Moreover, if you want to temporarily disable your account, select Deactivate Account. Alternatively, if you want to permanently remove your account, select Delete Account. Once selected, choose a reason from the drop-down menu. Then tap Continue and enter your password to confirm. Within moments, your account will be either deactivated temporarily or deleted permanently based on your choice. And that's it. If this Instagram account management guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.